Hello everyone. I hope you know who I am. I am the great Lord Alex, and I am going to make Microsoft Sam pay for his Windows adventure with me. If you don't know, Microsoft Sam installed Windows ME on my computer. I managed to reinstall macOS 10, but I'm still very angry. Now it's time to install macOS 10 on Sam's Windows XP computer. Ha 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 ha. I have a software which may take over someone's computer. I think this could work.
At the home of Microsoft.
Come in.
Hello Sam. Are you feeling better now?
Yes, thanks, I do. The machine Mac Rolf used in me hurt a lot, but I am better.
Great. Me and Mike wonder if you want to read some Windows XP errors.
Sure I want. Let's begin right now. Windows has detected that you have 2,831 unread emails. Yes, and I don't want to read them. They are boring.
How do you know that they are boring if you don't read them?
I just know it.
Okay then. Let's read the next error. Windows has detected that someone is trying to take over your computer. Oh no, it's a hacker. We have to save the computer right now, before we get viruses or something.
Take it easy, Mike. Calm down.
Sam, have you forgot that we are using your computer?
No, you are right. We have to do something right now so I don't lose anything.
Oh no. I may lose my bologna sandwiches. We must stop the hacker.
Wait, Scotty. Have you installed bologna sandwiches on my computer?
We can talk about that later. Now it's my turn to read the next error. Windows is going to reboot.
Okay, maybe the hacker will be gone after the restart. Hey, isn't that the Macintosh startup sound?
It is, and now the display is showing the Apple logo.
No, I don't want to be on the Mac operating system. Please go back to Windows XP before I explode.
Hello, Microsoft Sam. Time to use the best operating system in the world, macOS 10, for a bit.
Alex, I'll kill you instantly if you don't reinstall Windows XP right now.
Yeah, we have to return to Windows XP so I can get my bologna sandwiches. I don't know how to install bologna sandwiches on macOS 10.
If you say anything more about your bologna sandwiches, I'll put you on macOS for the rest of your life.
Sam and Scotty, we have to work together now. We have to get out of macOS. Any ideas of how to do it?
Why not kill Mac Alex and all of the Macintosh voices?
Sam, come on. We can't take down all of the Macintosh voices, and I know that you know that. And if we manage to do it, we will still be trapped in macOS.
I know that there is a program in macOS called Boot Camp. It lets you run macOS and Windows on the same computer. Alex must have used it in the opposite way. I mean, Boot Camp is used to install Windows on a Mac, but now it's macOS on a PC.
For the first time, you said something useful, Scotty. Let's find Boot Camp.
I think it's in the application folder. Yeah, here is Boot Camp and another program called Reversed Boot Camp.
Well, open it so I can get my bologna sandwiches.
No, you don't. I'll stop you. That's the task Alex gave me.
Oh, how could I forget Macintosh Rolf, Alex's bodybuilder guard?
What are you doing, Scotty?
I am just looking for some bologna. Look what I found in the document folder.
Huh? It looks like some documents. Who has written them?
Let's read. Dear Nora, this is something I would like to say. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever met. Would you like to go out for a romantic dinner with me? Is this your document, Sam?
No, it's not mine. But look, this is Alex's user.
You're right. When he installed macOS on this computer, he copied all of his files too. I guess it was a mistake, but maybe we can find some information in his files.
Oh, that will take a long time. He has so many files and folders. Here is a folder named Secret Letters. Why not take a look?
No. We don't need it. I think we should go into this one instead, the folder named Instructions. Maybe there are instructions on how to reinstall Windows or something.
Yeah. This file is called Instructions of How to Cook. It can be how to cook bologna sandwiches.
Scotty, shut up.
Here is weapon instructions. Let's take a look.
Why?
Well, if we can take down Macintosh Rolf, we may reinstall Windows XP.
Good idea. Let's try to build this one, super spear cannon. After a long time of programming the weapon, it was finally done.
Let's go back to the Programs folder and destroy Macintosh Rolf. Hey Rolf, do you want to say hello to our virus cannon?
Hey. What are you doing? Stop.
He is dead.
I don't think he is dead, but he can stop us for a while. Let's start boot camp reversed.
Do you want to go back to Windows? Yes, I want. macOS is shutting down and installing Microsoft Windows XP. Yes, we are back.
Yeah, and all the files as well.
So my bologna sandwiches are back? Yeah.
Yes, unfortunately, but I'm going to delete them.
No. Don't touch them. They are mine.
Yeah, but they are in my computer, so I can do whatever I want with them.
In the Macintosh home, Alex found Ralph on the floor.
What the? No. Ralph? Ralph? What has happened to you? Where are Sam and his friends?
Oh Alex, they created a virus weapon and hurt me badly. I think I will survive, but I'm injured.
Oh, those Microsoft idiots will never get away with this. I think I have an idea what I should do. I just need an airplane and some other stuffs. Then, well, bye bye Sam. Ha 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 ha.